Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Neera, and today we will start by talking about how you can configure PowerMTA. First of all, what do you need to do? In the last video, I explained all this, how you can send emails with IPv6. So you must watch the last video to understand it, okay? What should you do to proceed? This is my config file. Check it out. I will install this on my domain, and I need to add all these records to the DNS. So what do you need to do first? You have to install SSL on it. Click Edit. I'm not showing the domain since it's already added here. So what should you do? Just click Edit Domain. If something like this appears, go to the web section. Look here, SSL is added. Then go to Mail, okay? You can also add SSL to the mail here. Just click the Edit button, enable SSL, check this option, and click Save. Okay, after doing this, you need to run these commands. I'll show you right now. This is my SMTP setup, okay? I'm entering it into SMTP here. If I use this now, select Use Secure Connection, and click Send, my mail won't be sent yet because SSL isn't installed. You'll see an error like this. Okay, since SSL isn't installed yet, what should you do? First, run this command. I've run it here. After that, this is the code. Copy it, go to the config file, paste it, and stop there. And replace your domain, okay? Don't forget to replace it. So here I copy it, and I've replaced it with my domain, okay? Then you need to click Save. Okay, here's another command. I'll paste it here and also include it in the blog. After running the first command, you need to run this next command. But you need to replace the domain in it, okay? I'll come here and run the command. Wherever there's a placeholder domain, I replace it with my domain. I've done it here and there too. This is the code here. Instead of admin, I want to use the HSTSCP username, which was development. If you've used a different username, you'll need to enter it here, okay? This command installs SSL on HSTSCP. HSTSCP will create a .pem file using the SSL certificate that's installed. Inside /etc//SSL, the HSTSCP SSL is installed here. It's okay to use the same certificate. I'll replace my domain here too. Okay, here, I've updated everything. I've added my new domain, copied the command, pasted it here, and clicked Enter. It's running in the config file now. Click this to proceed. After that, if there are no errors, run this command for PowerMTA. Now I'll come here and click Send. Your mail will be sent with SSL. Let me show you. Okay, the mail is sent here with SSL. When you check it, my mail has arrived here. Okay, when I check it here, I showed in the last video how the mail came from IPv6. That's how you can send mail using IPv6. So you must watch both videos. I'll upgrade it a bit here. I've added the commands and all the links here. You'll find the links in the description. So, that was this video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel and this video.